French fries business is one of the easiest food business to start because it's affordable, simple to prepare, and loved by almost everyone. Perfect for students, side hustles, or small food stalls. First, prepare your packaging sizes and weigh your fries based on each serving. Then repack them into plastic cellophane bags. This makes preparation faster, keeps your inventory organized, and helps you maintain consistent costing for every order. Repacking your fries in advance also saves a lot of time during busy hours because you no longer need to weigh each order one by one. It keeps your workflow faster and more organized. For my packaging sizes, I use a 260cc container for the small size, 390cc for medium size, and 850cc for the biggest size. Here are the fries powder flavors we used. Preheat your cooking while over medium to high heat. Once hot enough, fry the fries until golden and crispy. After frying, strain the excess oil. Transfer the cooked fries into a shake tub. Then add your preferred fries powder flavor. Weigh fries powder flavor to get consistent and not over-seasoned fries. Transfer the fries in the packaging and serve immediately. French fries are best enjoyed while still hot and crispy because they can become soggy if left too long before eating. One important tip when selling fries is consistency. Your serving size, flavoring, and packaging should always look the same so customers know what to expect every time they order. While adding flavoring, make sure to shake well to fully and evenly coat the fries with the flavor powder. Weighing flavor powder can avoid over-seasoning your fries. Too much powder can make the fries salty and less enjoyable. Finding the right balance of flavor helps customers keep coming back. One of the advantages of a fries business is the low starting capital and high demand since fries are a favorite comfort food for many people. But one challenge is that fries can quickly become soggy if not served immediately, so proper timing and fast preparation are very important. You can sell small size for 59 pesos, medium size for 79 pesos, and for the biggest size sell at 109 pesos. Selling price may vary according to your own costing. See description box below for costing and more details. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video for more Negosyo idea.